What is up, YouTube? So, today is September 21st, which is coincidentally iPhone XS launch day, and I am not going to be participating this year. I have an iPhone 8, and I absolutely love the thing, so I'm keeping this. Anyway, it is also coincidentally the Apple Watch Series 4 launch day, and I did end up picking up one of those because I was quite impressed with the improvements they made to it. So here it is. This is going to be the unboxing of an Apple Watch Series 4, specifically the gold aluminum case with the pink sport band. I am not going to be using the band. I am just not a fan of pink. However, I did want the gold case and the 44mm watch, so that's what we are going to be unboxing. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So we got this handy pull tab this year, which is cool. Anyway, I was very impressed with the improvements they made to the Apple Watch this year, namely the first real redesign it's had since launch, and the larger and rounded screen. And so I was very impressed with that. So that is why I chose to purchase this product, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what it's all about. So, oh, interesting. Okay, so we have this little sheet that is covering the actual product. So there's the actual product box right there. As you can see, we have a bunch of different watches in this neat little packaging. That's pretty cool. And yeah, here we go. Oh, I see. So you get the watch in one box, and the I guess this is the separate band. I don't know. We're gonna find out. So let's go ahead and do it. So here's the actual box. We see we have a photo of the watch face, and that is about it. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what is up and down. So, okay. So there's the watch. And pink packaging, again, I'm not really into that. I just wanted the gold. That is different. Okay, well, I have not seen that before, but we're going to save that, and we're going to go through the other stuff in the box first. So here you can see we have our quick start guides and stuff. Not really needed by myself, as I'm an avid Apple user and have been for many years. So I'm just going to go ahead and file that to the side for now. And as you can see, we have our MagSafe charger and our 5-watt power brick. So I think that's all you get in this box. Yep, definitely. So here's the watch. You know, honestly, I'm not even going to open the band because I'm not using it. I am actually going to be using my black sport loop that I was using on my previous Apple Watch. And in case you were wondering, the bands for the old watches fit the new one. So I also will have a comparison of the old watch versus the new, but let's go ahead and remove this from the cover, and there you go. There's the new Apple Watch Series 4. So let me go ahead and put my band on it, which is compatible. As you can see, the casing is exactly the same too, which is pretty nice. No disparities, no discrepancies there, that is. So there we go. Now it has a band on it. Very nice. Let me go ahead and boot it up, see if it has any juice in it. And it does. So while I put that there for your viewing pleasure, let me go get my previous Apple Watch, which is a Series 3 42mm, and we can do a little bit of a comparison. So as you can see, here's my previous Apple Watch. Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Here's my previous Series 3 Apple Watch, and here's the Series 4. Now, as you can notice, obviously the Series 4 is a little bit bigger at 44mm. However, the main difference is with the screen. The actual casing of the watch is very similar in size, which is nice. You'll also notice that the actual case of the watch is a little bit more rounded, and the corners of the screen are now rounded with the casing, unlike this one, which just has, a normal square screen. So, yeah. There you go. That's really the main draw of this new watch. Of course, there are a couple of other differences of which I will have to explore. I know it also does have a new sensor area on the back, which looks quite nice. Here's a comparison of the old one. So there you go. And yeah, so there you are. I am going to go ahead and end the video here because it's just an unboxing. And I will go ahead and pair it with my iPhone. Of course, again, I went for the gold this year because I have a gold iPhone and I wanted it to match, and now it will. So there you are. I'd like to thank you guys for watching this unboxing video, and I'll see you in the next one.